Dignified living environment is kind of living environment where you have enough space for yourself. You have natural light, you have good views to somewhere green, and also that it's functional and accessible. Aim of Sotera Research Institute is to develop and make a research on healthcare architecture like hospitals or elderly living.
I think the normality is the key word, that any kind of people want to live in normal houses. They just have to be adaptable for them also.
Lapinjärvi house is a single family house which is designed for one person or two persons. It's actually a place where you can live until the end of your life, so it's accessible and they are close to a village center, so you can get services to your home.
You feel integrated socially, you are not isolated from the rest of the society.
Laakso project, it was a psychiatric hospital, but it was important that it was designed so that the stigma of a psychiatric disease would decrease, so that it's open and public, like the ground floor spaces for all.
Although the nature and the views and all this healing environment is important in the psychiatric hospital.
At the moment we are having a new research at Sotera which is dealing with how to organize services and living in rural areas when it's time of urbanization and many people are moving to the big cities. So how can we maintain the healthcare services also in the other parts of the country?